How pivotal is safety for motorcyclists and street users? In a world where every second counts, having an extra pair of eyes can make all the difference. This is where the BOBLOV M7 Pro 4K body camera steps in, offering a high-quality solution that captures every detail in crystal-clear 4K resolution. With an impressive 128 gigabytes of storage, the BOBLOV M7 Pro doesn't miss a beat. It's an indispensable tool for those who value security and peace of mind. Whether it's for law enforcement officers or everyday street users, this camera ensures every moment is captured, providing valuable footage when it matters most. The BOBLOV M7 Pro isn't just about high-resolution footage. It's also designed with practicality in mind. With its sleek design and adjustable removable clip, it can be easily attached to any gear or clothing, not to mention the powerful battery and fast charging capabilities that ensure it's always ready when you need it. But what sets the BOBLOV M7 Pro apart is its built-in Wi-Fi connectivity. This feature allows for easy video transfer and management, ensuring that your footage is always within reach. This is more than just a camera. It's a commitment to safety and accountability. As darkness falls, the BOBLOV M7 Pro continues to shine. Its night vision functionality ensures that even in low-light conditions, nothing goes unnoticed. Coupled with a wide-angle lens, this camera offers a comprehensive view of your surroundings, providing an additional layer of safety. In summary, the BOBLOV M7 Pro 4K body camera is more than just a recording device. It's a high-quality, practical, and reliable tool that enhances safety for motorcyclists and street users. With its 4K resolution, large storage capacity, fast charging, Wi-Fi connectivity, and night vision capability, it's a testament to how technology can be harnessed to promote safety and accountability in our daily lives. Stay safe out there, and remember, the BOBLOV M7 Pro has got your back. For more information and every cam at every price point for your daily needs, go to acticams.com or follow the link to go there now.